Hello all. Once again, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make ice cream bars at home itself. And the speciality of this making process is that we have not used any egg or cream or condensed milk or any of these kind of items to make this. It's very simple and easily available ingredients only we have used here. And the procedure is also very simple. So before getting to the video, please subscribe the channel and share this video to your friends and family and press the bell button to on your notifications. So let's start. Here I have taken 1 cup. In the cup I'm taking 2 tablespoons of corn flour. So according to my measurement, I mean measurement of milk, I am taking these 2 tablespoons. Based on your measurements, you can go ahead increasing or decreasing this corn flour. And I have added some 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk to it, and I have mixed well and keeping aside. Further to this, I on the flame and I have taken one widened pan. You can see here, and I am adding with this cup measurement 2 cups of milk here. It's a normal milk, packet milk or else normal whatever you use for a daily your tea purpose and all, the same milk only. 2 cups of milk, and in this itself I am adding half cup of sugar powder. I'm adding powder so that it will dissolve soon in the milk. If not, you can even go ahead with adding sugar itself, because anyway we are going to boil it for 10-15 minutes and let it allow it to boil. Then we in another cup I have taken milk powder here. So milk powder around quarter cup to half cup based on your quantity. And this also I am making a paste kind with the milk itself. We can even put this powder directly into the milk, but there is a problem of forming lumps. That's why I am making lumps free liquid out of this milk powder. Then I am planning to add it. So like this, I have made it. So here you can see our milk has come to a state of boiling. So to this milk, we are now going to add that milk powder mix. And now we have to allow it to boil for 5 to 10 minutes, because whatever extra content of water in the milk will be there, that all has to go out, because otherwise that water, when we are keeping it in a refrigerator, then the water will form as like a normal ice over to this ice cream bars. That's why. So, and in between you have to stir it, mix it continuously like this. So now our milk is boiled enough, like 5 to 10 minutes. Now I am adding the corn flour mix, whatever we mixed it earlier. So that corn flour mix I am adding to it. And from here after this, you have to mix it thoroughly and continuously, because once you add the corn flour within 5 to 10 minutes, you can see your liquid will become into a form of semi-thick, creamy kind of liquid. So for that, if you stop stirring it, it will become like it forms the lumps. That's why you continuously has to stir it. And though if you stir continuously also, you can see a small lumps forming in this. And that and all we can strain out finally. So you can see our milk is become slowly thick into nature. Now we are going to add here vanilla essence. I have added 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence here. And mix well. See, now you can see completely it's become a creamy consistency. Now you can off the stove And as I'm just showing, there are no much lumps, but still, for your knowledge, I'm just showing you can strain it like this. Otherwise, another idea is you can just, if the lumps are more, the quantity is more, then you can go ahead with mixing it once. Then you will get a nice creamy ice cream liquid. Now you have to leave it completely to cool down. So this creamy liquid you have to allow completely to cool down to the room temperature. Then after we will fill this into our kulfi bars. So this is not mandatorily you have to go with the kulfi bars itself. What you can do is if you have a microwave trays or something, in that also you can just pour this liquid and keep in the refrigerator. It will form a big like in that shape of ice cream. So from that you can cut into ice cream slices and give to the kids. That also kids will like. And now we have to fix this ice cream sticks here. So as it is a creamy, it will not stand in perfectly in middle. So you have two methods to do it. One thing you can keep in the refrigerator. After half an hour, it will be thicker enough, and you can take out and put the ice cream bars. And the second method, what I am showing now, if you have a foil paper at home, you can just close it and press it. You will get that square shape, your kulfi square shapes visible in the top. Then middle of this, you can keep some holes and you can place your ice cream sticks. You can see here, we are clearly able to see that square shapes of our kulfi. Now you can slowly place the ice cream sticks. And as I mentioned before in my videos also, while you are using ice cream sticks, please soak it for 5 to 10 minutes in normal water because sticks will be very dry. So if you don't do that, there are chances that it will break out when you are taking out at the finally. So now we will be keeping this in a deep freeze temperature for 8 to 10 hours. So based on your consistency of the creamy liquid, it will take 8 to 10 hours. So you can check in between after 8 hours. So my 8 hours is over. I am just taking out. So you can see here, nice creamy ice cream bars are ready. One I'll take out and show you. I guess I can keep another 1 to 2 hours or more also to get more thickness about it. It's all like you can just have a check and you can go ahead with 1 hour 2 hours extra also. So that's simple, the process. Hope you this video you all like this video and give a trial. Please mention your comments and also share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell button. Thank you so much for watching.